We run fleets throughout North America, and each one of those fleets is the horsepower of a 747 jet engine. Yet we've got to drive it across bumpy dirt roads to remote locations, assemble all those components together under stringent operating conditions in all sorts of outdoor physical environments. To choreograph that dance in real time with robust data is essential to us.
It's always been a mission of Liberty's to become better. How do we bring the industry, not just Liberty, to the next level?
When we can see everything in one place, our entire operation comes together. When we were looking for a new telematics provider, we were hoping for a reliable, easy-to-use platform that our drivers and managers liked. We also wanted a company that we could grow with. We quickly learned that we could fully integrate our payroll systems, our maintenance software, our tax structure, monitoring our third-party drivers, all in a simple, easy-to-use platform.
The Samsara integrations into our maintenance management system have freed up a massive amount of labor for all of our different managers.
We can have our field mechanics focus only on those 40 units that are out on those locations and not get distracted by the 3,200 units that are all over the country.
Using Samsara's location data, we can easily pull the sales tax rates in any given spot where our trucks or tractors are located. We can get us a very, very accurate tax rate. This data from Samsara is going to save probably $10+ million in savings for the bottom line of Liberty.
As a safety representative, I'm out in the field looking over potential hazards that could occur, or I'm looking at signage, I'm looking at making sure the proper PPE is being worn by the personnel we have on location. Having a context on one platform with the camera and the system, we can always look back on those videos and see if that harsh break was warranted. It's a brotherhood, it's a family out on location.
We have employees that are scattered across the United States and Canada, but we have to think about the communities where they live and where we operate. So how are we being the best neighbors possible? How are we making sure our speeds are under control? These are things that are really important to our community and therefore extremely important to Liberty.
If we don't make sure that we're safe for our community, then who else is going to do it?
A lot of people don't understand how difficult our jobs are, how hard it is. It can be strenuous, and what we do, it keeps the lights on. It keeps everything moving.
Our relationship with Samsara has only grown. So where do you think that might go in the future? We'll certainly grow and deepen that partnership between us. As trust builds and knowledge builds, that's the ingredients to innovation going forward. There are partners in building and making a great business.